I am Rakesh Reddy. Actually, I am having some heart problem, aortic valve. So actually, I am following here from 4 to 5 years in the SR Rao, Dr. SR Rao under, and here I am having regular checkups. So I think of 10 to 15 days back, I went and sir referred to surgeon Krishna Kumar sir. So I went to Krishna Kumar sir. He told, okay, now it is the time to do surgery. You can plan as early as possible. So angio was done, admitted, and immediately they told surgery to be done. So I think last Tuesday, 26th Sunday, 28th January, surgery was done successfully with Krishna Kumar sir and Shailendra sir. I am very much thankful to both. So before I am having some problem, now it's fine, and with the services of KIMS and Krishna Kumar sir, Shailendra sir, SRO sir, I am very happy and thankful to all. Thank you.